So there are always two registrars at a civil ceremony. One delivers the ceremony and then one is responsible for the legal aspects of the ceremony, and they record the couple's details in the marriage register. And it's very important that at that stage that they're not disturbed, that they're not knocked in any way because they're handwriting in the register. And then also the couple sign that register at the end of the ceremony, and it is a legal process, so it's very important that this is done correctly. So when we invite the bride and groom to sign the register and to check the details, we also invite their witnesses forward, again to check the details and to sign. Then the two registrars sign, and at that stage really we would encourage photographers not to be filming too closely. We then give them another register that they can photograph, and we compose the couples then for the ceremony and for the signing, and that seems to work really well, we find.